Welcome back to part 2 of our series on how to create and send an email in distributed sending. In this particular segment, we're going to spend all of our time in the editor getting you acquainted with the functionality on how to create an email and make changes to an email. To get started, you'll definitely want to give your email a name. You'll want to make sure the name is descriptive. So as soon as you see the name, you know exactly what email it is. Now, the email name is not visible to subscribers, however, the subject line is. You'll want to make the subject line quick and to the point and grab the subscriber's attention. So give me a second to type one in. You'll notice this little icon off to the side. This is your personalization icon. As you learned earlier, any data that you have stored on your subscribers can be inserted into both the subject line of the email as well as the body itself. So in this case, if we wanted to go ahead and insert first name, we would put our cursor where we wanted it to appear in the subject line and then click first name. So we could put it at the beginning to say, Elizabeth, brand new products available at NTO for summer. Let's go ahead and navigate down to the body of our email itself. You'll notice that we have all of the major editing tools that are available in most word processors. We have the capability to choose what type of font we want, as well as the size. We can go ahead and change the color, highlight, bold, italicize, underline, provide numbers as well as bullets, and also do any justification. Now, when creating your email, this one already has content area boxes defined in the template just for demonstration purposes, but when you create your email, you'll want to insert an image. You can do that by clicking on the Insert Image icon. Now, if the image does not reside in Portfolio, and remember Portfolio is just where your images are stored, you do have the capability to upload a brand new image. If the image does reside in Portfolio, you'll simply select that radio button and then either navigate to the Portfolio folder or the Shared Portfolio folder. The Portfolio folder, remember, is just where assets for your business unit will be stored, and the Shared Portfolio folder will be where all assets that have been shared across multiple business units would be found. You'll simply select the correct one to go ahead and access and put into your particular email. The next icon is the linking icon. This provides your subscribers the ability to click on text or an image within the email itself that will link them possibly to your website or another website or a landing page. In this case, I've highlighted Track Your Clicks, and the linking icon is now available. To link to your website, you can simply type in the URL. In the display box, it will go ahead and automatically populate with the text that you've gone ahead and highlighted. Now, the tracking alias is the verbiage that's going to appear in the tracking tab to let you know how many subscribers clicked on this particular link. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and type in ExactTarget website. Once I filled in my tracking alias, I'll simply click OK. You'll notice now that the text that I went ahead and highlighted now is in a different color, as well as underlining, knowing that now that is a clickable link that our subscribers can click on. There are just a couple of more things I want to show you quickly. First, you can always right-click on a particular image, and here then look at image properties to get more of an idea of exactly where the alignment is and specifics on your particular image. I can change my alignment very quickly. You also have the capability to preview your email by clicking on the preview button, and it will show you what it looks like when it leaves ExactTarget. And finally, there is the text button. As you're creating the HTML version of your email, you can go ahead and we will create a text version of the email behind the scenes. Now, before sending your email out, you'll want to go ahead and make sure that you clean this up a little bit just to make it a little bit more user-friendly.